Meghalaya police today provided security to several tourists from outside Assam who are stranded in Shillong to leave the state. The situation became intense in Shillong after Assam police shot dead 6 people, including 5 Meghalaya residents at Mukro on Tuesday, after which an Assam registration vehicle was also torched in Shillong last night. These vehicles were bought from going to Guwahati following the firing incident. Today, these vehicles left for Guwahati with an escort provided by the state police. Expressing their views regarding yesterday's development, many tourists said that such incidents would severely affect the tourism industry in the state and locals would be adversely affected. Thousands of tourists, including foreigners, had come to Shillong to witness the Cherry Blossom Festival.
तो कोई टूरिस्ट बाहर का यहाँ नहीं आएगा, लोकल पब्लिक को इससे जो रोजी रोटी मिलती है वो बंद हो जाएगी। यही चाहता है सब मिलजुल के रहो और यहाँ की पब्लिक को रोजी रोटी मिले। हम लोग आएंगे तो उनको रोजी रोटी मिलेगी, अगर हम लोग ही नहीं आ पाएंगे, आ ही नहीं पाएंगे, अभी कौन लाएंगे रिस्क लेके।
Never in my life, I'm 68 years old, I have never faced such a problem in my life. So that is why we are scared of this problem. The government should look after this. The right, they should control the rights, whatever who is doing. So at least the tourists should be safe. So who will come to this Meghalaya now if they are going to create this problem?
Soon after